All right, so on these forks, it's got the little chrome pieces right here. Just while it's going back together, I'm not gonna go crazy on this. Just a quick little scuff, get off some of that surface rust. It'll look a lot nicer if this is shined up. There's some Mother's aluminum polish and steel wool. Quick little wipe. Nothing too crazy here. But we'll get these pieces shining up nice and bright, like so. Drop the cups on. Now, once the cups are on and the top is pretty much set up, I kind of did that first side. There's two different lowers. This one has a notch in it. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I put it on this side because this is where the brake's gonna go. I figured this notch might actually be a clearance thing. Could be wrong. We'll find out later if I gotta take this all apart. I'm not putting the top tree on yet. Then you got your upper turn signal / headlight ones. So you got a seal, chrome cap, shroud. Your weird kind of star pattern one will go next. This will drop into the top cup like so. And then your upper triple tree. Like I said, I don't know. This is obviously going to drop back down. But for right now, make it easy. Throw this nut back on the top with the washer underneath. And then we obviously have to put all the bolts in. Pinch bolts down here, pinch bolts up top. But essentially, there is the front end. Pinch bolt here, pinch bolt here. When we do go to tighten those, I'll try and make a video on that because as easy as it is, a lot of people over torque these upper ones and they crack the triple tree. So be wary of that if you're slapping it together. Other than that, we now have a beautiful Honda CB350 front end.